Hello to all my friends. Let me start with a thought-provoking question. Have you ever truly wondered how the legendary soldiers of ancient Greece were still actively fighting on the front lines at the remarkable age of 70 or 80? They did so not as frail or weak old men who were a heavy burden to the army, but as seasoned warriors whose incredible physical strength and combat skill would make even the most vigorous 20-year-olds tremble with fear. Today we live in a world where as soon as we blow out the candles on our 60th birthday, society, doctors, and even we ourselves label us as worn out. But I'm here to tell you today that something is seriously and fundamentally wrong with this perspective. What we're going to talk about today is a fascinating historical secret that has been hidden away among the ancient dusty writings of Hippocrates, the renowned father of medicine. A secret that, unlike today's chemical drugs which aim to merely camouflage and hide the symptoms of aging, actually seeks to rejuvenate and fully restore the vital fire to the body. The Greeks believed that aging does not mean simply growing frail or becoming weak. They saw men with white hair breaking records in the Olympic Games, records that even today are completely unattainable and far out of reach for our professional athletes. But let me warn you, this video isn't just about introducing 3 simple foods. If you think you'll get results just by randomly eating these ingredients, you're seriously mistaken. There is a very subtle and specific detail in exactly how you prepare and time the consumption of this, and if you fail to follow these steps, all your hard work and effort will be in vain. In fact, it's very much like a complex and intricate combination lock. If you happen to get even one of those specific numbers wrong, the lock simply won't open. At the very end of this video, I'll tell you exactly how to unlock it so that the powerful masculine energy you thought was lost forever will begin to surge and flow through your veins once more. So, if you truly want to know how the ancient Greeks successfully cheated time, I urge you to stay right here with me until the very last second of this video. We currently live in a modern era completely surrounded by ultra-processed foods, constant chronic stress, and physical inactivity. Our bodies are like machines that for years we've poured water into the tank instead of premium gasoline, and now we're surprised when they sputter going uphill. The ancient Greeks, especially the Spartans, had bodies that functioned based on the balance of 4 main elements: blood, phlegm, yellow bile, and black bile. They didn't say, "I've grown old," but rather, "The balance of my elements has been disturbed." Picture a legendary Athenian general who, at the age of 75, not only maintained his physical strength, but also retained a mental clarity as sharp as a razor's edge. So what exactly was his secret? He certainly didn't rely on artificial chemical supplements or modern enhancers that would ruin the liver. He didn't go after expensive medicines either. He was in search of Andrea, an ancient Greek word, frequently employed to define the essence of masculine strength and courage. Now I want you to do a small task. Write in the comments which city or country you're watching this video from right now, and whether you live in cold mountainous areas or in warm coastal cities. Why am I asking this? Because your living environment affects your energy levels, and I'd like to know where in the world this large community of men who are seeking health is spread out geographically. Part 1. Raw honey and the magic of nitric oxide. The first pillar of this formula is raw, unprocessed honey. But hold on. I don't mean those perfectly clear, shiny jars you see in supermarkets that are essentially just more like a processed sugar syrup. The Greeks used to call honey the nectar of the gods. Why? Because they realized that this substance is the only thing in nature that never spoils and is absorbed directly into the bloodstream. Why is honey so incredibly essential for men over 60? Scientifically speaking, honey contains significant amounts of the element boron. Recent scientific research and clinical studies have demonstrated that this rare element can significantly boost and elevate the level of free testosterone in men. But that's not the whole story. Raw honey is rich in natural enzymes that help produce nitric oxide in the blood. Nitric oxide is the very substance that causes blood vessels to dilate. When the blood vessels expand and dilate, oxygen and essential nutrients are delivered to vital organs and muscles at a much faster rate and more efficiently. Imagine the water pipes in your house have become clogged with deposits after 60 years. Raw honey acts like a natural pipe cleaner that restores the flow of life through these pipes. But here's an important point. Pasteurized honey, which has been heated, has lost all its life-giving enzymes. For this recipe, you are absolutely going to need creamed or raw honey that still carries the scent of wildflowers. But the next part is raw almonds, which also help to strengthen the blood vessels. The second component of this triangle is raw unsalted almonds. In ancient Greek mythology, almonds symbolize great endurance and eternal rebirth. The Greeks would eat a handful of almonds before wrestling matches. But why? Almonds are an incredibly rich source of protein, vitamin E, and essential zinc. Zinc serves as the primary building block for vital male hormones. Without enough zinc, your body's internal energy production factory effectively shuts down. But the real hidden secret of almonds actually lies in a specific amino acid known as L-arginine. In the body, L-arginine is the precursor to that same nitric oxide I talked about earlier. When you consume almonds in combination with honey, they produce a powerful synergistic effect. In other words, 1 + 1 doesn't just make 2, it makes 10. Honey helps your body absorb the nutrients from almonds more quickly, and almonds provide a steady source of fuel that, unlike simple sugars, doesn't cause a sudden drop in your energy levels. A 72-year-old patient said that he always experienced a severe drop in energy in the afternoons. When we made the switch from roasted and salted almonds to raw, organic almonds in his daily diet, after 2 weeks he remarked that it truly felt as though an extra battery had been installed in his body. The salt and high heat used in roasted almonds can unfortunately oxidize their healthy fats and turn them from a beneficial food into an inflammatory one. So it is highly recommended to only consume them in their raw state. But the third component, which is often overlooked by many people, is fresh figs. The Greeks considered figs to be so sacred that they had very strict laws regarding their export. Figs are rich in potassium, magnesium, and fiber. But their main role in this formula is to optimize absorption. Many men often experience various digestive problems as they grow older, even if you eat the very best foods in the world. If your intestines cannot properly absorb them, you are simply wasting your money. With their unique fiber and natural enzymes, figs help to prepare the intestinal environment to absorb the essential minerals from honey and almonds, which directly support your overall vitality and mental well-being. But why not dried figs? Dried figs have a very high sugar content and can cause insulin fluctuations. The Greeks traditionally emphasize consuming fresh figs or figs that have been slowly and naturally dried in the shade. In this formula, our goal is to achieve balance, not to bombard the body with sugar. Now we come to the most important part of the video, how to make this energy bomb. Simply eating these one after another is not enough. You need to prepare this mixture. Take 2 tablespoons of pure raw honey, 10 whole raw almonds, and 2 medium-sized fresh figs. Chop the almonds manually, don't powder them, just roughly chop them up. Next, cut the fresh figs into several small pieces. Now, mix all of these ingredients together in a small bowl with the honey. This is the secret. This mixture should be left at room temperature for 30 minutes. This time allows the enzymes in the honey to start partially breaking down the proteins in the almonds and lets the ingredients blend together. Only eat it in the mornings on an empty stomach, at least 45 minutes before breakfast. This is the secret to when you should consume it. The first week every day, the second week every other day, and from the third week onward 3 times a week. Why shouldn't you use it continuously? Because the human body is intelligent. If it constantly receives a strong stimulant, it gets used to it. We want to give the body a boost, not make it completely lazy. But to sum up, my dear friends, what we have reviewed together today is far more than just a simple recipe. We are talking about reclaiming a powerful identity that for many years we have been told to forget as we grow older. Remember, at the very beginning of this video, I promised to show you exactly how to unlock your hidden energy. That way is exactly through consistency and attention in preparation. Many of you might start doing this tomorrow and then completely forget all about it the very next day. But remember, the ancient Greeks were champions because they possessed unwavering discipline. If you use this formula, in the second week you'll notice a change in your sleep quality. In the third week you'll notice increased mental clarity, and by the second month you'll experience a change in your physical stamina that you may not have felt in the past 20 years. This is exactly what Adria is, or the masculine power that has been reawakened, and aging is simply a biological process. But exhaustion is a choice that's in your hands. Excellent. I'm glad you stayed with me until the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Be sure to watch the next videos and don't miss them.